Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm just going to tell you that how you can easily reset your password, or if you think that it was hacked, so how you can recover it. So make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started without wasting any time. And first off, open up your Instagram app, and then if you are simply log into an account, so just go to your profile and then click on these two lines and click on settings and privacy, and scroll down and click on log out all accounts if you want to log out all, and then just click on log out. After that, here if you want to just reset your password, you will see your account username, and if you think that your account has been hacked and you want to just recover it, just click on log into another account, and then just simply give your username over there and just click on forget password, and then here just give your email which was associated with your Instagram account. Yes, you can give your username, and after giving your username, then just click on find account, and then if you just simply want to like recover your password, just click on try another way. And if your account was hacked, so that previous option will not show to you, and what you all have to do is just click on get code or link via email, and then just click on continue, and it will be just send you a verification code on the email which was associated with your Instagram account. So just simply close Instagram and then just go to the Gmail section, and here just search for the email which is sent by the Instagram, or if you didn't see it over there, just click on these three lines and search in spam or social or promotion sections, and search that email, open it up, and just simply copy the code like this and come back to the Instagram, and then here just paste that specific code and click on continue. So here just give you a strong password. If you think your account was hacked, so just simply check this option log out of other devices. Thanks to watch the video and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to like the video, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below. I will be catch you in the next video. Thanks guys.